here's another video about a vehicle issue. This is a 2008 Nissan Altima with just shy of 170,000 miles on it. I'm going to try to get it to do what it's been doing, which is having rough idles the first start of the day. It doesn't happen later on in the day. I don't know if it's because of the heat of the daytime or what, but let's see if I can get it. We'll watch the tachometer and we'll listen to the engine. Here goes. Now there's three different things that I've read that it could be, and then one thing that I have deduced on my own, but we'll see. The first thing is they're talking about a misfire on the spark plugs. That's a possibility. I could have one out. I'd probably say I changed them out about probably about 70,000 miles ago. So they're just about due for it. The second thing was a vacuum issue, which I don't have any check engine lights on. You can't really tell right now, but it's just telling me that the door's open. Which I don't know if it's a vacuum issue, because if you take the gas cap off, then you get a light after about a mile of driving. So I'm not sure if that's exactly what it is. I looked over the hoses, did the simplest thing first, didn't see anything wrong. And then the third thing that I read was it could have skipped a tooth in a timing chain, I guess it is, or belt, but I don't think that's what the case was, because it's not doing it all the time. As you can see, it's kind of made a liar out of me. Let's see if I can maybe get it to do it on the RPMs. No, so it's making a liar out of me. So the fourth thing that I thought it may have been, going back to older engines, carbureted style kind of engines and whatnot, the fuel filter may be clogged, or the fuel pump could be going out. Supposedly they don't put fuel filters in newer cars. They put a screen mesh in the around the base of the pump, so it pulls from the bottom of the tank. I thought maybe it was water in the system, but after filling the tank up and then fresh gas in it, it wasn't it. So I'm going to start off with the easiest thing, which is to change the spark plugs. Like I said, it made a liar out of me, so I don't have any evidence to show you, but this was a good intro. So let's get out changing out the spark plugs.